So this is called Remy.
Remy, yeah.
After removing all
Short hair,
the short hair,
and all the cuticles.
it comes to this.
Yes.
And now this one going to
Make the extension like what are the products like big, closer and bundles. What are the extension you can make.
okay.
This is a preliminary.
This how many lengths?
I think maybe the 24.
24.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Make it the gray side.
Yeah. So they have to do that first. See, this is the airs coming from the temple. Yeah, raw air or raw virgin air coming from the temple. There is no such no fake air. Everything is with their hands. This is corally natural here. This is long. So guys, this is the washing. After finish all the process, guys, today I'll take you to the factory of where they're making wigs, and you guys will see by yourself. It's amazing process. Oh, it started raining. Right now I'm in Alu Bel Air. No, not Alu Bel Air, Alu Air factory. And I want to show you guys a little bit the process, how they make like natural human hair wigs. Yeah, it's a amazing process, and I'm going to show you guys. Let me turn the camera.
We keep some bundles for all the sizes on in our storeroom. So I can show to you. So
Okay, no
for all
problem.
the sizes and structure, what are the sizes are available. So if you order the any sizes, we can make it immediately.
She has to remove manually. Everything has to be removed from the hair who coming from the temple. Can you see? She's doing everything manually. Yeah, there is nothing on the process. Can you see? Yeah. So they have to do that first. See, this is the air coming from the temple. Yeah, raw air or raw virgin air coming from the temple. Yeah, and all those ladies have to remove step by step. I think this is for young ladies hair. This is whole people hair coming from the temple, something like that. And it's the same process. They have to remove manually. There is no machine, nothing. They have to do everything with their hands and remove everything. So this is the beginning. This is the beginning of the process. After finish all this one here, I think they will transfer to these places here. Those ladies who see here, they're sitting and doing with their hands. There is no machine process here. They're doing everything with their hands, and it's amazing. See how they do. There is no such no fake air. Everything is with their hands, and I like the process here. Can you see all those ladies over there? They have to do that, and now when they finish, I think this is the final process. No, not the final process, but it's another process also. They have to come here. There's a machine here. They have to come here and do the wigs. Can you see? There's the Amma here. She's doing the wig. Here's another example. Yeah. Let me show you guys. See how they do. This is all human hair, all natural. There is nothing unnatural. See, from the first place to here is all natural. Yeah, so there is no doubt about it. Everything is natural here, and is pure human hair. See here also, she also doing the process, and it's amazing. Everything here is natural. See here, those are the big stock. So like this one here is this one here coming from the temple, because there is a lot of places they're bringing the human hair, but it's not from the temples. This one is from the temple. Look how they do. Here's the machine here to, I think, remove all the unnecessary thing from the hair and all. See. So yeah, so this is all. So guys, this is the washing. After finish all the process, it's all amazing. I like the process. You know, that's where they wig it. They will wait the wigs and all this one here is a stock of wigs. You see all the wigs you saw there, they come in here and stock that. It's all natural. There is no unnatural things here. All natural. All natural. You see, all natural, and I really like that. If you want the quality wigs, you can come here. You won't regret. This is some quality. There is no other things here apart quality. So here's the final for those ladies here. They are the one who will measure. They're the one who will measure and, like, you know, classify everything. And yeah, if you want, you can come here, get your wigs. Everything is natural. There is nothing fake here. Yes. So here is another one ready to be shipped. Yes. So I think I show you guys the maturity of the things now. Yeah. So this is where the final products are going to end. So like if you order the wigs,
Yes.
that's where he's going to. So I'm wondering if you guys have like you guys make some color inside the wigs and all.
Yes, we can make it customized colors also. So if you order any bronze also or any dyed colors, we can make it out of wig or closer or whatever colors. Not only nature, we can also after the completion of the RST bulk, we go to like the bundles and wigs. They are making the wigs.
So that's the final. Yeah. That's the final stage.
Yeah. Right.
Namaskaram, Amma.
Namaskaram, Guru.
In Telugu they say baguna, but I don't know in Tamil. So
she is making wig.
Okay.
Frontal wig.
Frontal wig.
Yes.
The lace.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. But she's the only one who's working here, or there is other ladies?
Depending upon the orders, we can arrange the employees and make it the machines. Otherwise, they will arrange some other work, so we can do it.
So wait, basically. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video that I show you guys right now. Yeah. So in the case, don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Peace out.
Welcome to Ismonakes, the French boy.